In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create legal pages for affiliate marketing website and for websites in general. So I'll use privacy policy online to create these legal pages. Alright, so this is my website I'm building right now, and I've posted one blog on it already. When you check my privacy, I don't have anything. Alright, so let me close it. When you check my terms, this is what I have underneath. It's not good. So I thought of sharing this process with you. Alright, so let me just close this. I'll move this over because I'll use the editor a lot. Alright, so this is the free generator. You don't have to pay anything. If you want privacy policy, general terms or terms and conditions, that's what it's called, or disclaimer, these two, they are highly necessary. In this case, I'll use these two. Alright, so let me just show you how. Alright, so when you check here, I have privacy, which is privacy policy, and terms, which is terms and conditions. Alright, so I'll go back. So switch it to privacy policy or privacy. So what's the name? This will be my website name. So I'll show you my website. So this is the name of my website, successpage.io, successpage.io, the website link. So I'll go back. And so before you create this, make sure you have your website up and running already. Like your website should be live before you can do this. Control V to paste. Alright, so I don't need this / to nest. Do you use cookies? For now, I'm not using cookies. Do you show ads through Google AdSense? Right now, no. So if I start using those things, I will come back, update it, recreate it, and go back and paste it on my website. So do you show advertising from third parties except Google? I will say yes, because this will be for like affiliate marketing promotions. So country, so the country, so Canada, states, Ontario, then next. Okay, your email address. So normally this is the email address for your website. This should be your business email address. If not, you can use Gmail address. The best is to use your business email address. Even if you don't want to use it, just do it after. When you copy and paste the wording, you can take it off, all right, before you publish it. So I'll do it quick and I'll click create privacy policy. Create privacy policy. All right, so it's done. Okay, so this is it. So I can I can link it, or I can copy the entire wording and paste it on my website, which is what I want to do. But at the same time, I'll copy this and save it somewhere. So first, let me do this quick. Highlight everything. Sorry. Right click, copy. So now I'm gonna go to my website to edit it. So click on success page. Alright, so click on pages, and this is privacy. Alright, so click on it, and this is what I have inside so far. I will delete this one, and I will make use of this text. I will delete and Control V to paste everything. Alright, so double click to highlight this, which is the title, and type privacy policy. So the underlined words, don't worry about it, because this is legal wording, and the grammar checker I have, I'm not used to this legal wording. All right, so this is something you see often, but avoid it, don't worry, and click on save. All right, now if I go back to my home page, refresh, and I click privacy. All right, so I'll scroll down and delete some of the stuff I don't need. It's a little tricky. Okay, yeah. All right, so save and save again. Delete. Okay, the entire section I'm gonna delete it. Yes, so it will bring some gap. Yeah, like this is better. So save. It look nice and clean. Okay. So the privacy section is done. Let me close it, and I'll go to the editor and go back. So you need to be on pages again and click on terms. All right. So we're gonna delete this. We don't need it. All right, so we're gonna use this box now. So drag the text, put it in here. Oh, actually no, undo. We're gonna do headline first. All right, so this will be terms and conditions. All right, so I'm gonna bold it, bold. All right, and I'll grab the text, drop it down here and I'll go to the software. So I'll switch this to terms and conditions. Enter your website name or app name. One more time, I'll make use of this. Your website link is there already. This is one thing I like about this software. So next, then country, Canada, enter, state or province, Ontario, email address, okay. So like I said earlier on, you can use your business. It's advisable to use your business email address, but if not, you can use your Gmail. But when you copy and paste everything, you can take off your email address and put whatever email address you want. Create terms and conditions. All right, so this is it. Highlight everything all the way to bottom, okay, and right click, copy, and go into the editor. Double click this, delete, and Control V to paste everything. All right, so this is it, and click on save changes. Like I told you earlier on, see all these underlying things, don't touch it, okay? Just leave everything the way it is. All right, so make sure it's saved all the time. So go back, refresh the page, or you can right click to reload, okay? Same thing. Then click on terms and condition, bam. As you can tell, it's easy, it's not that complicated. Your website is set to go. This is what you need, especially if you want to promote product for big companies like Amazon. If you want to advertise on Facebook or Quora for free or whatever, you need these things. And even before you join like affiliate programs, like ClickBank and Digistore24, they don't care. But networks like Amazon, and they will check if you have this. If you don't, they will deactivate your affiliate program. Alright, so it's as simple as ABC. I'm still working on it, under construction. Alright, as you can tell, I have only one blog written on it, but I'm not in a rush. I'm just taking my time to build it. Alright. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.